Hey guys! Today I'm making some super easy miniature kitchen crafts for your dollhouse. Just trying to recycle common stuff found around the house. Please keep showing me pictures of your crafts on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing them. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. First up, I make super easy canisters just using a chapstick lid, puff paint, buttons, and craft foam. Next up, I recycle an egg carton container to make frying pans and easy fruit bowls. I sand on sandpaper to smooth out rough edges, paint, then use the heat from my glue gun to shape a craft foam handle. I make plates out of craft foam, simply shaping with a couple of lids. And coating in clear nail polish to harden, before adding acrylic paint polka dots. For easy pots and pans, I use old lids. And to make the pan lids, I'm simply taking glue eyes and puppy stickers and gluing craft foam to the bottom and a bead on top. And that way your lids will stay in place. Next up, I thought I'd make some llama chopping boards using foam stickers, which I attach to cardstock, then harden with clear nail polish. Then I make some easy spatulas by gluing two pieces of cardstock together. And cardstock is just like a harder paper. I shape and paint. Or you can use those ice cream or lotion sample sticks that you might see at the mall or like a froyo place, or an easy spatula. And for some super easy bowls, I'm just trimming down some toy capsules using both the lid and the base. And finally, I make some cups using the plastic from old floss containers, just by sealing the bottom with hot glue on parchment paper. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!